LOYO Bondar is a leading development and production group in Bali. We create large-scale projects, accompany and control every stage from land selection to rental, combining experience, technology, and investments. 11 residential complexes, 58,000 square meters of real estate under construction. 3 projects have already been completed. We collaborate with the largest investment funds. 2 own factories, production of windows, stretch ceilings, and interior solutions. Own fleet and construction equipment. Own architectural bureau and engineering company. We design, implement innovations, and control quality. Legal support at every stage. A separate company within the LB Group handles permit documentation. More than 100 agencies from over 30 countries sell our properties. We are shaping the international real estate market. Experts in land selection. In 2024, more than 100 land deals were closed. 2 offices in Bali. Own sales department. Support 24/7. Personal concierge service. LOYO Bondar. It's not just construction. It's an ecosystem where all processes, from design to project delivery, are under our control. We are creating a future that is profitable to invest in. LOYO Bondar is your reliable partner in the world of real estate, technology, and investments.